here today Avi Posnick, the leader of Stand With Us. And he leads the Jewish community in standing with all faiths against hate. We have been very moved by his support and by the support from the Jewish community standing against anti-Hindu hate. So Avi Posnick, please come and say a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. I want to thank Assemblywoman Jenifer Rajkumar for bringing us all together and standing against these vile acts that blemish our city. While we're all concerned about the rise of racism, Hindu-Phobia, antisemitism, and other manifestations of hate in New York and around the world, we're also concerned about the increase of racism, antisemitism in our schools. No one is born hating, no one is born a racist. This is something that is taught. Today's students are the leaders of tomorrow. We must educate them today before their hearts and minds are poisoned. As Mahatma Gandhi said, the future depends on what we do in the present. Today, here and now, in the present moment is when we must take a stand, a unified stand, to ensure that our students learn not only to tolerate other races, religious, and ethnic identities, but to respect them. At Stand With Us, we will continue to strengthen our bonds with our Hindu brothers and sisters, and we will always, always stand with them. United, we can continue to educate and empower more students and communities to fight racism, Hindu-phobia, anti-Semitism, and hate. Thank you very much.